JT, kumusta yung ano mo?
Wala naman, boost lang dahil baksakan lang pero nothing big.
Kailan nangyari yun?
Sa first half lang naman ako naglaro eh, so yeah, nothing major, ano lang, maliit lang.
JT, you've been nagiging quality minutes ka in this series. How satisfying sa'yo itong pinapakita mo sa finals?
Syempre we all know this is the finals already, so you know every minute counts here in the finals. So whenever I'm inside the court, I just make sure I always give my best, and you know, thankfully my teammates are always there to support me.
Kasi nung previous two finals mo medyo hindi nag-finals ka ba't hindi yung ganun ka impact as now?
Again, as I play longer with these guys, with the coaches, you know, I'm always learning to play with them. So, you know, I'll do whatever it takes to help the team. And now my focus is really defending. Yun naman priority ko when I'm inside the court, to make sure na I'm there to help the team on the defensive side.
One win from the title.
Yeah, you know, we're up 3-1, but the job isn't finished. So we know TNT will try to you know, win the next game para mag-build sila ng momentum. Pero you know, the closing game is always the toughest one, so we have to prepare for it, and you know, we have 2 days to prepare, and you know, we'll be ready for game 5.
Okay.